Hello, this is a meditation for you. So I invite you to join me and sit up on something so that your hips are higher than your knees. And then I have a blanket here that I've just folded up and put around my ankles here. It provides a little bit of extra cushion and support for my ankles and my knees. And all you really need is about 10-15 minutes here. And some peace and quiet, some willingness, and your device, which you're watching on. So I'm glad that you're here. Welcome. And if you have glasses on, I invite you to take them off. If you, let me check the time. If you have any door that you can close, or even turn off the lights, anything like this, do that right now. And find your seat. You're also welcome, if you're not feeling well and you still want to meditate, you're welcome to lie down. And then close your eyes when you do feel ready. And bring your hands to your thighs with your palms down. And let's take a couple of breaths to transition here. And become aware of any of the sounds that you hear around you. And we want to practice welcoming them in, accepting that they're here with us right now as we're meditating. Welcoming them into our sphere of awareness. And then bring your attention to the temperature of the air that you feel through your skin. Any sensation of clothing on the skin. And bring your awareness inside a bit more. And I want you to notice and observe any physical sensations that you feel in your body. And let's practice welcoming these physical sensations in. So whatever you feel, wherever you feel it, this is a skill, right? But just practice welcoming in these sensations. As you're doing this, begin to deepen your breath. Let your breath become longer on the inhale, longer on the exhale. And breathe down into the bottom part of your lungs, all the way to the middle, and then all the way up to the top. If this is a new practice for you, you'll just exhale freely. If you've been practicing 3-part diaphragmatic breath for a while, on the exhale, you'll exhale from the bottom of the lungs, keep the chest open, and then the middle, and finally the top. So inhale, bottom, middle, top, and either exhale freely or exhale from the bottom, middle, and then the top. And so oftentimes people have a picture of meditation as clearing your thoughts away. They have this idea, and that is not exactly what we are working to accomplish here. I see it as an opportunity for self-inquiry and contemplation, and what better way to approach that than to watch your thoughts and watch what is present and follow these thoughts all the way to the end. When we do that, when we follow them all the way to the end, which takes time and practice and energy and patience and courage, something happens and those thoughts don't rule us anymore. So this is an opportunity for you right now. You have full permission, 100% permission to sit here with me. Close your eyes, have your eyes open halfway. Try to look at one thing. If your eyes are open halfway, don't look around, don't get up and walk around, stay put. And I want you to let your thoughts roam freely. Let them come and stay, come and go. Whatever the thoughts are, I want you to start to get acquainted with the content of your mind. It's not something to be afraid of or repress. Okay, so for the next couple minutes here, I invite you to sit here with me, become acquainted with the content of your mind, the quality of your thoughts, and you're not doing anything, you're just watching. Okay, and then I will let you know when it's time to do anything else. So continue to observe and actively engage in, welcome in these thoughts, whatever they are. focus to your breath which is happening now. Notice the flow of the air as it moves in through your nose. Belly and chest rise, breathe out, belly and chest fall, and you can sense the sensation of the air as you exhale through your nose. And let this be your anchor into this moment. And so it turns out that the deeper you go with the meditation practice we just did of watching all of the thoughts, following them to their very end, it turns out that that inevitably does end up freeing up room and space and possibility in your mind, in your life. And so that's one route. That's actually the route that I personally have taken the past 10 years, a route of contemplation and really engaging with my thoughts, talking about them, journaling about them, watching them throughout the whole day. And the meditation practice that I engaged in wasn't so much of a formal seated practice. It was 24/7 throughout my whole day for quite a number of years. And I'd recommend it for some people, especially if it calls to you. And it's the type of practice where you wouldn't know it's a practice that you could do if nobody pointed it out to you. So know that that is a practice that you can do at any time. You can do it for a number of years, and it will morph and change and adapt as you grow with it and learn new things about yourself. So bring your palms together in front of your chest, either in a prayer position, one hand stacked over top of the other, whatever feels authentic and real for you. And just thank yourself for taking a moment to sit here with me and to practice, to engage in self-inquiry. And thank you very much for joining me. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day. Let me know if you have any questions, if you'd like more of this type of thing. Okay, bye.